We are proud of what Indian electronics manufacturing has already achieved, and we have big plans jointly to work with you. And our doors are always open to each of you at these forums.
I got some leads here today. Is really happy to handhold them and to grow them in India.
We always set a target to find potential customers, new customers. So this platform helps in connecting them with us, converts into a great opportunity to convert that into a business.
Quite encouraging on every year, and I could able to get a very good contact.
In electronica, you will go through lots of options, opportunity.
And once again, I thank to electronica management team, Upinder ji, entire team of electronica who have invited me, and I'm delighted to see the arrangement here. So by collaborating with the electronica show, we are able to come together with electronic equipments and then semiconductor devices.
Knowledge is something which really leads to more confidence in the industry, more handshakes. So I think to that extent, electronica is doing a very good job.
First of all, it's so exciting to be there in flesh and blood and to meet all of you, and it's looking very grand and very nice.
I thank MMI for organizing this excellent show after 3 years face to face.
It has been a pleasure to come to India, to come to the shows. We have found the shows to be worthwhile and give us plenty of leads.
This experience for Productronica India is very unique because this is the first time of this scale after the COVID. To me, it's also surprising because we never expected the response would be so encouraging.
Productronica is one of the major show in India. We are always charged up to be the participant in this exhibition. It is the biggest trade show that happens in India for electronics.
There is no benchmarking. The way electronic, or you can say meeting Messi is, I have not seen any other show compared to this. The amount of traction this show brings, none has done it up till now.
And this is a very good platform where we meet all the professionals, our customers, our suppliers, and our employees also get motivated.
So overall, it was a good show. There was good response. A lot of customers were there.